David.
Look,
Pass to Emma.
look.
How is it? How is it? How's the tomato?
Here.
How is the tomato?
Take one, Ori.
On the roof.
Emma, take one.
She has.
I don't want
Do you want more?
one. I don't want.
Take one, Ori.
Look, Ivy.
Take one.
It is Ivy.
Let me help you. Take it. Take it.
Maybe she doesn't want it. You don't want it?
Okay, pass.
Oh,
it to
look at the face.
And pass to.
No, it's
Wanna
me.
take one?
That's your harvest, guys. Okay, Manu, put it in your mouth. Yeah. Try it. You have to try it first before you say no.
You guys want more?
I want more.
Okay.
Can you put it in your mouth?
I love this.
It's very sweet, right? It's very sweet, right? Get the red one, Manu. Manu, get the red one. Yeah, that one is good. This one is good. Try it. It's from our garden. Soon we won't have any more. Yes, hurry up because your friends are waiting. Okay, let's pass it again. Just one. Take one. Very good.
Take.
Look, I take.
David, go.
She took two.
Take one, David, and pass it down. Okay, Safia. Safia, take. You don't want it? You don't like it? Why you don't like it? It's fine. If you don't like it, you don't like it. If you like it, you have more.
Okay.
Do you want more, Nina? Yes? Take.
Okay. Pass it.
You want to take?
Yes.
Okay, take.
Okay. I'm taking him. Pass it.
Pass it. Pass it. Remember the word pass it?
I want to pass
And we
it.
have more. We have more.
I'm going some more.
You like it.
I'm going.
Good job. You're such a good girl.
Yeah.
Well, Matt, please pass the plate, please. Can we pass it? We have to slice more.
Okay.
Put it in another plate so
No.
they don't have to wait.
Let me get more.
Yes.
I'm gonna try.
Pass it down.
Lucas, pass it down.
Pass it down. Can you save some for the teacher?
Blueberries? Yeah.
Okay, Miss Sadia is making more, okay? Slicing more. Yes, okay.